I've really enjoyed being at the Opportunity Summit this week. We're all maybe in different industries, but we're facing similar challenges.
These gatherings really are purpose-built. They're meant to share insights, to build community, and they're really meant to drive all of our collective work forward together.
What's really great is the free flow of information, the camaraderie, and what we're learning about what Guild does and how it can make us really great employers.
We chose to partner with Guild because our missions are absolutely aligned, and the more I actually talk to the people at Guild, the more comfortable I am in that relationship.
So at the Guild Opportunity Summit, we heard a lot from folks who've been impacted in a positive way by an educational opportunity.
So it's this idea that we are investing in you because we want everyone to enjoy the dignity of work and to experience opportunity, whatever and however that's defined by the individual.
The Opportunity Summit has been incredible. It's an important touchstone for all of us to come together and remember the greater purpose of why we do what we do.